Hello there. Here we have a condenser tumble dryer, and the reported problem was that it's tripping the electrics. So I've come out to it today, taken the sides off, etc. And basically I've eliminated that. It's this this heater here. If you can look in there, you can see some moisture. Yeah. So I've disconnected this and it starts up, which proves that it's the heating element. So as I said, you've got damp in there, in here, because I think the possibly the water container may not have been cleaned out or something like that. But anyway, something's happened to it, causing moisture in here. And it's a nursery as well, kiddies nursery, so this machine gets a hell of a lot of use, as does this washing machine. So yeah, I'm going to try and dry it out and see what happens.